Well, I was wrapping up work today and I look out the window and the guys were driving past to head to the next field for the next custom chopping job that they're doing. So I'm gonna go follow them out and hang out with Avery for a bit, bringing some work with me because the grind never really stops for all the things that we have going on. But I'm gonna go hang out, see what they're up to, and see if they've got anything new to share with us. Also, I think we're gonna start adding a harvest cab chat segment, maybe. I'm gonna put questions up on my Instagram, but also if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll ask the guys all these different questions throughout harvest. So let us know any questions you have, and let's go head out to the field. They're getting ready to open up this field. Silage chopper, obviously. Collector. Another collector. Avery. Yeehaw. Ooh, look at that man. I hope he edits this video so he can hear me say that. Howdy.
What's up?
How are you?
Good. The truck coming.
Okay, I'll move. Another day, another bag. Avery, say bag.
Bag.
Say it with your most Wisconsin accent.
I just did.
Bag.
Bag.
Oh.
That crack you up?
Yeah, we're gonna be delirious by the end of this.
Did you bring any beer?
No.
Did you bring any snacks?
No.
So what the hell are you doing here?
I brought water.
Well, I've got water.
And the dog. Myself.
It's 5:09. It's beer time. It's after 5 o'clock. Then it's okay.
I can run to the bar. Get some roadies. Avery, I have my first harvest cab chat question for you. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Since I forgot snacks, what is your favorite?
My favorite? Yeah.
What is your favorite harvest / whatever snack to have in the tractor?
I like filet mignon. Medium rare with a garlic mash, Oscar style, so that means with crab, and Southern Comfort old fashioned salad.
I didn't ask you your favorite meal, I asked your favorite snack.
I mean, that could technically be a snack.
Okay. How's that snack?
I had to bring my own, so not the best. This is my reserve tap. Keep it in the cab.
Send help for Avery. Send snacks, because I'm not good enough. I am a snack. That's what I should have started with the whole time.
We're just gonna move on.
What'd you say? Okay, but I'd like everyone to see that there are, in fact, snacks. He has snacks.
Stop at Grandma's to get them.
You're not starving, though.
Bro, you can't survive on the ship, but none of the board is not fun.
Okay, well. at how cute the bista is. Well, Avery is down talking to the farmer and a new wagon is showing up. Do I hop in the driver's seat? Or do we think he'll be back? He's still standing there. Just kidding, I would have no clue what to do. Maybe I shouldn't force him to teach me. Would you guys like to see him attempting to teach me how to drive this? It's another thing I can add to my list of things I can do on the farm. Well, we are back at the farm, we meaning Bree and I, because I had to drive one of the guys back to the farm. The other crew is chopping somewhere else, so I'm gonna go find Mason and also ask him his favorite snack for in the tractor. And that'll round out our video. Will be just us talking about snacks. Avery did not teach me how to drive the bagger, but we will hopefully add that to my list of things that I can do. But let's go find Mason. Okay, Mason, we're starting a thing called cab chats. My first question for you, first of all, how excited are you to do cab chats?
Oh, just thrilled.
Can't wait, right?
Can't wait. Can't live without it.
I know. Okay, what is your favorite cab/tractor snack to have during harvest?
That's a tough one. I mean, always got to go with cookies. Chips Ahoy, obviously, for obvious reasons.
The soft ones or the crunchy or like hard ones? Oh, we even have an example.
That are in my lunchbox.
The soft ones. Are they empty?
No, there's I was trying to hide them from you.
No. Bree looks like she's ready for herself. So Chips Ahoy, that's your favorite?
I mean, that or always got to have the classic nuts too, you know, like peanuts or cashews or something like that.
No oil pressure not acting up for you?
Okay. Well, I'm going to keep eating your cookies. Today's the day. I jumped into the driver's seat and Avery will be teaching me how to drive the bagger. We'll see how it goes.
Rev it up a little. You can leave it idled down until he starts unloading, and you just hold it wide open.
Do I turn it red when it's back on it?
Yep. You go to red now. Now go back to green, wide open.
You backed in pretty good. Right?
Yep. He unloads it a lot slower, so you can leave it green for longer. But go to neutral and have him pull ahead now. And then once he gets to the spot where you want him, go back to green, because you're going to be, your feed table will be running low. Green. You gotta do it a little bit before he gets there so they actually stop on time. When they're straight, you can wait. See how he's perfectly straight coming in. His tailgate's not hitting the walls down here or over there. When they're perfectly straight, you can wait longer. Wait till the next one falls. Now go have him go forward. You gotta wait for it to fall, because when he's pulling forward, he's not unloading. So you gotta have enough in the table to keep you busy while he's pulling forward. Does that make sense? Are we going straight or are we turning? Or are you not paying attention to that?
I forgot about that part. I think we're going straight.
I think we're turning. Look at the track down there. See the wheel right there where it's making a track?
Yeah.
See how it's turning that way? Turning to the left?
No.
Well, it is. I'd probably go red. See how that big one falls and now it all runs out the front?
Are you gonna make me clean it up?
That's the best way to stop you from having them do too much. Now I'll go green. And then with Larry, I've got another signal. So you can go neutral, green, neutral, green, neutral, green. Do it now. Now, so he knows when you do that, he speeds up the apron and it runs the rest of it out a lot faster.
You all got your own codes, your own signals?
Well, Larry's the only one, but we just implemented that one today, so. All right, you can idle it down now.
Whoa.
That's all right. You can turn it off. Yep. Now turn off the beater. How was it?
I did it. I didn't do that part though, and apparently we turned, although I don't know.
Just a very little bit. I straightened it out.
Okay. Well, next is this.
Yep.
Well, I sat in the driver's seat for literally one unloading, one load, and Avery already made me do a little switcheroo. Why?
That seat's too small.
You got too big of a booty or what?
Yeah.
Well, how did I do?
You did good.
Did you care to extrapolate on that, expand on that answer?
Well, I basically told you what to do the whole load, so of course you did good.
Oh, okay. Sounds good, thanks. Apparently I just had to wait one day for Avery to teach me how to drive the bagger. But yeah, done did her. Add that to another list of things I could maybe do.
Kind of. Getting start. Got some learning to do.
But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video
Turn your notifications on.
do all the things that
You know,
you're
that little bell.
do all the things that you're supposed to do on YouTube videos.
Trying to
Thanks.
get to 1,000 subscribers, so getting close. How many we got more to do?
I'm not sure, but also I ordered a t-shirt press, so we might be having some apparel soon, so stay tuned for that also. All the things. But anyway, like, subscribe, share, watch, check out for the next video. See you next time. See you next time.
Yep, we'll see you next time, just like Quick Trip.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw, baby.